Hi, my dear friends. This is R.S. Sharma. The previous video which I made, it was some sort of a mix, Hindi and English. So this time what I am thinking to get us introduced in English as well as for our students who are living abroad. So we'll help them also. So let us start. Actually, I'm an electrical engineer and started this new platform to provide free education and to share my experience, what I got it throughout my life. And preferably, it is a free education platform for all students, but preferably, it is for students of economical weaker section who are under poverty line. So what is the aim to launch this platform is that I will provide free tutorials, videos, make different type of projects based on programming and coding. For example, this robot, house cleaning robot, home automation system, rain sensor, solar sun tracker system. So a lot of projects are there, like smart lock to be controlled by RFID card and fingerprint, keypad, and so on. So a lot of things are in my mind, like this PCB designing. One can start manufacturing PCBs after learning this PCB designing with some sort of a software, and that is on public platform software. No need to pay money. I will suggest so many things like that. Now programming and coding you can do with Arduino Uno. So we can start with the simple one, the initial basics. It's not necessary to learn Java, C++ to start with the things. So my main aim is to launch this platform to provide education, free education to all the students. Beside that, to provide the material for small DIY projects to submit in their schools. Material free of cost to the economical weaker section of students, means EWS students. So let us hope for the best. How I can keep continue my this platform? I will put all of my efforts. Rest it depends. So now this is in English, a little introduction. So on my blog you will find, I make my blog myself. I learn by myself everything within 1 year at home itself. So you can also. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is so difficult that you cannot learn. You should be determined, have passion for the work, devote a little time, and I will help you to suggest the ways as how easily you can learn these things. Not to confuse yourself with this and with that. Strike direct to learn and just at a particular subject. Not to confuse with other things, Java, C++, this, that, programming, coding. People, they are creating such things. Programming, coding, it is very big thing. You know who made the codes? They are research scientists, well high-fi, technically sound people. Otherwise, everybody, they are using their code. You have to modify it. Will you spend years to learn Java and C++ language? No. You cannot learn everything. You need time for that. So just start in a productive way. There are tons of codes you can find online. You have to just copy paste. There are free platforms, public platforms. You can get the codes from there in a legal way and just make the changes in it as per your project conditions, what you want. Little bit only, minor changes. Who knows English? He can do. No need for Java and C++. So, you know, what I found on YouTube's, the students, they are being misguided and being given half information, not complete information. There are a few YouTubers which are very good. I will provide you a link of those YouTubers. You will get every information from their platform. Like one is RoboJax, based in Canada. And if you are here, I will tell you. So I will, time to time, I will give you their links also. You go through that. And I will tell you the way how to learn from the YouTube. You cannot learn at random just watching it, looking it, and after 5-10 minutes just closing it and forget. No. If you like some video and if there are contents you want to learn, so what you have to do? Repeat that video. I'm telling you one example that how to learn the things. There are so many softwares. I will tell you how to grab them so soon. Not to move here and there out of way. Just briefly I will tell you. For example, what I was telling, that YouTube, from YouTube, how to learn. Again you start the YouTube. Then take a pen and paper. Just start the YouTube. Where you find something is important, just pause it and write down that on your paper. So again start it. So like that in breaks, you proceed and make a note, brief note on your paper. So that when you will start making the same project or want to use the software, your remarks on that paper will help you to remind you that what action you need to take and from where you can do it. So this is a way what I did, and within 11 months I learned a lot of things like that. Then you need practice. You have to devote little time. And above all is your passion for learning. So in that way I want this free education platform to be helped by capable students, financially little sound students, to send the project material, small material for the poor students, direct to them. I will provide the education, and if anybody wants, it is not compulsion to get free education from me. It is up to you as a human being. I will give you the link. Just send the material to them direct. No in between hodgepodge. I'm not an NGO. I'm not an organization. I'm an individual person who dares to launch this platform. And I hope throughout my life, what I determined, I did it. And this also, I will do it. And gradually, maybe people will join me. At the moment, I am an individual doing all of these things. Learned a lot, website making, blog, website making, and this channels making, and all I will teach one by one. So in a few days, I will make a series from the basic things. But what happened? Now, just I started. A few students, they have offered me to teach something. Now from Nigeria, one good student, Dogban, he asked me for his school a project for a smart lock to be controlled by fingerprint RFI card. So now I am working for him and I will send him all the details. If he has material there, okay. Otherwise, I will send it from India. He has to submit that project within a month. So I have started working for him. I will teach him, I will make him, and get him to make it so by his hands. So these are the things. Yesterday I received some WhatsApp message. Sir, I want to learn PCB designing. Of course, you are welcome. So, but to do all the things all together seems to be a little difficult. I wanted to start with the basics. Suppose programming and coding. I want to start from the basic. So maybe hopefully the basic things today I will launch in another blog, in another YouTube, and in two parts. Other side, I will launch this PCB designing course also, and then programming coding for this smart lock also. I want to launch it so it depends the student is of which category, of which class, which standard, and how much knowledge he has, what is the background. So I should suggest him to start from here or from there. Now who wants the PCB designing? He is in final year of electronics and computing systems course. So I suggested him he can start. The basics he knows. Programming coding he knows, little bit ideas. So he will grab it fast. I don't say that you cannot, yeah, others who are not well qualified cannot learn. They can. They have to put little bit more effort. The softwares, they make it so much high. Oh, this software, how to use, how to use, how to use. Nothing. You write on your Office, Microsoft Office, Word, letters, this and that. And what you did, what you use, you find the new file, you make a new file, open a open file, and on the top there is a menu of file, edit, this, that. All the same commands we have to use. Common commands, there are maximum in every software you will find. So when you can learn Microsoft Office, you can learn other softwares also, designing softwares also, PCB designing also. So it depends now. So I'm now closing this video. I wanted to show you some things, this and that, and I didn't make this video in so perfectly. I should I show you some project before going? I think better.
बैठक करते हैं और उसमें बहुत बारीकी से उसका रिपोर्ट
And this is the PCB designing, this was my first PCB. I learned it within 10 days. to design it. So this one, you see this PCB. So you can also do that. Now this is, fire, without fire, the cracker tree. Rest I will show you. You see, this is house cleaning robot. So during Corona, there was no maid. What to do? So I made it. So as per your interest,
आज क्या हो गया?
now see, hand-free sanitizer. So a lot of things are there. This is home automation system with the help of relays with remote controlled. This is solar sun tracker system. You see how it will move with the sun. So like that, so many things.